Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make use of the Bow Indicator, B-O-W indicator. All right, so you can just check the description below and you're going to see the link to download the indicator. After you have done that, you take the indicator file and paste it inside your indicators folder for MT4. Okay, you go to open data folder and navigate to the indicators folder in order to paste the file. Now you get back to your navigator, right click and refresh, and then just drag and drop the Bow indicator to your chart. Ensure that the allow DLL import box is checked. Now as for your customizable settings, you can see there's a whole lot of them here on MT4. Okay, a whole lot of customizable settings. You can modify the settings according to your taste, the values, the colors, whether you want alerts on or off, and all of that. Then just click OK. All right, so you can see that the indicator actually gives alert. Now the indicator is pretty straightforward. In addition to the alerts being given by the indicator, it also displays arrows for your precise buy or sell signals, right? So here we can see we have these red arrows appearing, red downward arrows. So what we want to be looking out for, are sell opportunities, right? I'm just going across different time frames. I want to know whether it's only sell signals this indicator gives, because I am always seeing red arrows. Okay, there are also buy signals. Okay, so we can see that the red arrows give you sell signals, and then the green arrows give you buy signals. Even though I can see that. All right. Okay, so because this one was more like a pullback, this was also more like a pullback. So you have to be careful when you are following the signals, because sometimes the signals might be a mere pullback. So this was the buy signal that was more accurate. This one was quite, it was fair, but you can see this one was, this one was also good, because see the move all the way up to this place, right? Then this was just like a pullback. So whenever the arrow appears, ensure you get confirmation first. Once you get a confirmation, then you can execute your trade. All right, if you enter a sell, you want to target perhaps support zones for your take profit. If you enter a buy trade, you want to target resistance zones for your take profit, but ensure that you have confirmations, other confirmations, so that you do not get trapped in a false signal. Okay, and I will recommend using this indicator in the direction of the trend. So if you are in a bullish trend, you want to take only buy opportunities, or rather only buy trades. Okay, and if you're in a bearish trend, you want to take only sell trades. So that is it, guys. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.